Hey, I'm Jamie O'Bania with BeautyBio and want to share with you why microneedling has become the biggest revolution in skincare. When you're microneedling your skin, and I'm using our Glow Pro tool, I'm creating thousands of painless, and I know we hear needles and we think it's gonna hurt, painless micro channels in the skin. This is the most natural technology. It's not an ingredient. It's just triggering and tapping into your skin's most powerful response. So let's see what happens in your skin. Pretend that these yummy little candies are layers of your skin. As you roll Glow Pro over the skin, it's creating these little tiny channels in the skin. And these channels forces your skin to say, I need to fill back in with firm, new, bouncy skin cells. These little tunnels stay open for about 5 minutes. So this is the time when you immediately apply your favorite skincare serums and creams. So the skincare now has a tunnel, a way to finally get down to the deeper layers of the skin. So when your skincare sits on the surface of the skin, it might feel nice, but it's not really doing anything to benefit. When you're using Glow Pro, you can see here, I'm creating all of these tiny little micro channels, and when I apply this cream, I wanna show you how this absorbs so much more effectively. So here, this is where I Glow Pro'd, 1, 2, 3, boom. Immediately, the actives drink into my skin. Look over here. Still sitting on the surface. This is the magic. This is why Glow Pro is skincare's bestie. Wash your face, Glow Pro, then apply your favorite serum and cream so you can finally get every single penny out of your skincare.